Hello, good morning, my dear subscribers. It's January 7, 2026, and I just want to share with you that I've changed my reflection bag to what my mom gave me. So this is part of what my mom gave me. This cute little um chain, keychain. I think this is the logo of Kipling bag. So I'm not endorsing Kipling, but I just want you all to know that I changed it to this cuter bag. So again, this is a very nice bag. As you can see, it has so many compartments and it really fits all of my things. So it has also this one here, a pocket here at the back, and a pocket here at the front. There's also some pockets here at the side and at the other side. So it's so nice. As for my reflection, I'm in day 7. It's God's covenant with Abraham, and the other verses that I am going to read today, it's Genesis 14 to 15, Job 3 to 4, Proverbs 1, 8 to 19. So there you go. You can see this is the Great Adventure Timeline Holy Bible that I'm using. And this is where I'm going to reflect. The Bible in a Year notebook. So it's very colorful. And it's still guided by the colors of the Great Adventure Bible Timeline. So here are the colors of the Bible Timeline. So it starts with the early word, then the patriarchs, Egypt and Exodus, desert wanderings, conquest and judges, followed by the royal kingdom, divided kingdom, the exile, the return, Maccabean revolt, messianic fulfillment, and lastly, the church. Thank you for listening.